I'm really sad that an issue which affected the lives of the people are not being allowed to discuss on this in this August House on a flimsy reason, sir. Though I respect your decision, but I'll have to take it out to take this issue outside this House, sir.
Kasang Voice of the People Party kan pelong da jingïakhih sit-in demonstration Hamadan Malki hakakhatlai tarik mata ubnai na dukapor shifu bejim step adu kapor san beje janmir kum kadak kajing Pyrshah ya kajing kiudor jikimar kimata hakajalla laban na kedaw hangni badangshan na kalyang jong uba adan mela basai moy ulara ia kene kamat apa ying do ba thawan jong kajalla hakarukom jong zero hour notice hai na kalyang jong usong konor kaying do ba thawan jong kajalla pan ulapan klaya ka hakadur jong ka call attention notice hakaba shimla ailat banyatai hani ula khot be yaw menteri ban jubab halo kan dia call attention notice na kalyang jong badan ula pun pau jeng Pyrshah ya kan dia jeng bom ailat jong speaker banyatai apa yen ba thawan jong kajalla padula angru apa yen ba thawan jalla hakatai kasngi pada speaker ailat yu banyatai ya kan dia kamat kebadan kam ba kata yu pa apa yen ba thawan na kalyang jong kaseng kaman seban mi sesorok pan pelong da jingïakhih na kalyang jong kaseng khot ka we adi ki pa ba banyak snow tilang ba kaseng hakabedi ba kan dia set in demonstration.
Madam Chairperson, I would like to thank the Honorable Speaker for allowing me to raise this issue under the call attention. And before I proceed with my submissions, Madam, I am surprised to see that a second call attention was mentioned here, which indicated my name, whereas I have not submitted two call attentions. In fact, I submitted a zero-hour notice to apprise before this August House regarding the very important issue on price rise. So, sir, I think I will not be able to accept this because I have not submitted two call attentions. So, may I request the Honorable Speaker, through you, Madam Chairperson, to please consider the zero-hour notice which I have submitted. Maybe it can be listed tomorrow because the issue which I raised is very important for the common man, and that is the price rise. So,
Miller Basomet, Honorable Member, today, as already announced earlier today, only 1 0 hour can be admitted in a day, as per practice and convention that has been practiced so far. Therefore, I had selected the 0 hour of Sri Bright Starwell Marbam MLA to be listed, and the 0 hour of Sri Hadien Miller Basomet MLA has been converted into second call attention notice. This is my ruling. So we now come to the second call attention. A member may make a brief submission.
I know it is your ruling, sir. I respect your ruling, sir. But, sir, if you
wish to bring a point of order?
Yeah. According to the rule, okay, sir, I raise a point of order under Rule 300 and this Rule 49A, sir, there is no ambiguity that in case there is 2, 3 more zero-hour notice that you can convert it into a call attention. Though you will apply with this Rule 314 where you can change the rule, it's your decision, sir. But, sir, I think you need to understand when I submit this zero-hour notice, I didn't expect that it will be taken up today. Maybe it will be listed tomorrow. Because I have already submitted since Saturday, sir.
Tomorrow there are also many other.
I've already submitted this zero-hour notice since last Saturday. And the issue is very important. So, sir, I don't think I'll be able to take it. If you don't want, I feel that I need to be allowed to discuss this issue because it has affected many families and all the families, especially the poor section. And I have a figures with me. So I feel that the House needs to know the rate, the prices, how it affects the people of the state. So it's up to you, sir, whether you allow or, but I don't think it will serve the purpose if the minister just lay the report on the table of the House. I don't think it will serve the purpose, sir.
Always listed, Sri Kaminwan Imbol, Minister in charge Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, to lay a statement to the call attention notice under Rule 54.1 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, tabled by Sri Hadien Miller Basomet MLA, to the issue of skyrocketing prices price of essential commodities in the state. Minister in charge, please.
Speaker, sir, I beg to lay the statement to call attention notice under Rule 54(1) of the Rules of Procedure Conduct Business, tabled by Sri Hadien Miller Basamaj, MLA, to the issue of skyrocketing price of essential commodities in the state.
Sir, I'm really sad that an issue which affected the lives of the people are not being allowed to discuss on this in this August House on a flimsy reason, sir. Though I respect your decision, but I'll have to take it out to take this issue outside this House, sir.